Reading Library Books, your channel for the most popular picture books available in your local library. Amazing Animals, Forest Adventure by Tony Mitten and Ann Parker. In North American forests, many trees are evergreen. And what a lot of creatures live there, waiting to be seen. Black bears are good at climbing. Just see how well they do. These bears are fetching insects and pine cone nuts to chew. Moose like eating water plants. Their legs are long and thin. When it's time for feeding, they just go wading in. When skunks are feeling threatened, they shoot a smelly spray. The stink's so very strong, it drives most enemies away. The graceful flying squirrel can float from tree to tree. Between its front and back legs are flaps for gliding, see? But look, the cougar's prowling. Keep quiet and stay well clear. Though strong and fierce, the cougar's shy and mainly preys on deer. The porcupine has sharp barbed quills that pierce fur or skin. Most animals can't pull them out once they are sticking in. Chipmunks love to nibble on a berry, nut or seed. They have to sleep through winter, so in summertime they feed. The long-eared owl has two big tufts of feathers on its head. At dusk it swoops out hunting when it's ready to be fed. Our trip has shown us creatures in trees and on the ground. But if we take another look, which others can be found? Did you like the book? Please subscribe with the red button below to hear about all new books coming soon. Subscribe now! Hello friend, I'm Oliver. My best friend is Jumpy. She's a kangaroo lady. I love riding in her pouch. We have many adventures together. Just click on the card at the end and you'll be able to see them all. See you soon!